husband.
All right, can you just? Oh no, listen.
I'm gonna break the window if you don't. You just get out, so I don't have to break the window. He's okay. Just get out. It's no big deal. He's okay. He's okay.
3 men in a locked van. A wife pushing federal agents with her bare hands. 10 local officers later pulled from duty. Who was actually within the law and who crossed the line without knowing it.
Husband.
All right, can you just? Oh no, listen. We just came here to assist. Obviously, we had nothing to do with this.
We got our rights, please.
Yes, go on.
Please just go.
Hold on a second. We're called here because of this government thing.
Yeah, but
So
they're not criminals.
I know, no one's saying. I'm just here to help.
He did shut it off, though. He was revving the engine. Wow.
Come on, man. I'm gonna break the window if you don't. You just get out, so I don't have to break the window.
The issue is, it sounds like they need him to come out of the car, and him closing the door and doing all this.
Take him to Batavia.
Okay, but now you're gonna have a lot of officers on scene because they asked us to come 77, which means lights and sirens. So look at all these cars now coming.
You gotta come out. Both of you. You have to step out of the vehicle.
All he has to do is get out of the vehicle. Either way, in the end, he's gonna have to come out. I would rather do it without force.
Criminals, please. We are right.
They've decided that whatever their situation is, that he needs to get out of the vehicle, and they're going to take him to wherever they got to go. Him doing what he's doing is just causing a big scene and causing a lot worse.
Bro, just come on. Let's go. You got a window punch? Someone?
You got one? Oh, I got him. I got him.
I'm gonna break it. Get out. Just hop out, man. No, hop out.
So here's what's going to happen. If he doesn't get out of the car, we're going to break the window and drag him out. No one wants to do that.
I don't have any money for it.
Just watch these guys.
Evil!
Damn.
Evil mother... Evil!
Alright, but...
Get the away!
So that may make you upset, and I understand.
Evil
Well, here's the issue. Whatever their situation is, they're going to ask him to come out of the vehicle. Instead of yelling at him...
don't bother nobody!
He's gotta hop out. Why? Because I said so. He's okay, just get out. It's no big deal. He's okay. He's okay. You're alright. Get out. He's not going anywhere. Tell him to open the door back there. Open the door.
And I'm criminal!
Open the door.
Open
the door now.
Here we go. Let me talk to my husband!
Do not push him.
Don't push me.
I'm pushing you. You do not touch my officers. You understand me?
Don't you
Do not touch my officers.
I'm a woman!
I don't care.
You can't touch
I don't
me.
care. I just did. Cut it out.
Fucking, I'm nothing.
At your age. Let them pull him out. Back up, please. Back up, please. Back up, please.
Why are you pushing me
We're
off?
not pushing you.
Open the door now.
Let me talk to my husband!
You want me to rip him out? Get out of the car now. Get out. Stop playing games. Get out of the car. Put your hands behind your back.
No pele!
What are you doing? Over there.
What do you want to do?
Want me to put handcuffs? Get back. Just please get back.
Por que me hacen
Take it back there. Take it back there.
Tranquilo.
No, we're doing good.
Stop. Put that down. Nope, you don't got his wrist. You gotta stop. Open up. Hey. Relax.
Available Spanish speaking officer to Lyle Avenue and Medina.
Let these guys do what they got to do. Yep. Just I'll explain in a minute. Just let them handle them. Come on.
You want to do?
Want me put handcuffs? Get back.
Stay back.
Can I grab the keys?
In just a minute. I swear if you push one of us one more time, you're hitting the ground.
I need the keys.
Then back up and we'll give them to you. You're not following instructions. How many cops have to tell you to back up?
Yes? Back there. Move. Move. Do you need to go in cuffs? Move. Back. Thank you. You can film, but do it over here. When I say back up, that doesn't mean step forward, right? Right? All right, back up. Back up and keep creeping forward. I want you to back up.
Can I
You'll get it when you're done. When we're done, you can get it. Okay, now you can back up. Back up. You will get his stuff.
Are you not understanding?
Right.
I am understanding.
Okay, so you're just blatantly not listening to the police, right? Is that how this works? You're going to go in handcuffs. Keep it up. And then you won't get any of the stuff. It can all get turned in. Your choice.
All right,
back up. Back up.
Hey,
Are there more in there? Or you guys got everybody?
Yeah, I think there's. Is that how this works?
Bam.
I want to ask you.
You can in a second. Just get back. How many? You only get so many chances. People detain you. If there's a charge, we're doing an investigation right now. There's a charge for this, all right? So just stop interfering.
What charge?
It's called OGA. Obstruction of governmental administration. We're doing an investigation right now, and you're obstructing it. So just stop.
Anything about stuff.
We gotta get the rest of the guys out of the car.
11 day right on 130.
¿Cómo I'm gonna do all? ¿Cómo yo voy a llevar la guagua? ¿Qué me va a ayudar a llevar la guagua? Cuando yo no te voy a poder ver nunca.
It's right there.
You don't even know my number like that.
Hey, dear. Dear, you're just gonna have to move your car real quick.
Friend who's involved in this, like my nephew.
Your what?
My nephew is here.
Okay, can you just?
I just wanted to talk. Oh, where do you want me to put my car?
Oh, you just gotta park like on the road or right in the parking lot or something. Okay.
Yeah. Get in the car. Get in the car. You're gonna get in the car and follow them. Get in the car.
Well, you can't follow them. It's an emergency vehicle. We're gonna stop you then.
Chill out. Mom, get in the car and follow them.
You can't follow them.
I will follow you, and I don't care if I get a charge. Maria.
Oh, okay, then come here.
No.
Come here.
No.
What's your ID? I need your ID then.
I don't have an ID on me. Stop.
I'm not doing this. Okay.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care what you're doing and what you're not doing.
Are they all in that?
Yes, they are all in that car. I saw his dad in that car and my
Maria, I need to be quiet.
Want to give me a second? They're going to go to the Batavia Federal Detention Facility. It's a processing detention facility. You're not going to be allowed in there. There's going to be a kiosk. You can't get past a certain point. You understand? There'll be visitation and stuff like that.
Good for you. I don't care. That doesn't mean I can't follow them. I will sit in the parking lot.
I'm telling you where to go.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, just go to the go in there right now, so you can just go
I'm telling you
there.
where they're going to be.
Thank you.
Her mom's key from the G.
Yes, this is my key.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Do you know them? Are you guys
No, it's okay. They just took them to the Batavia.
Yeah, they're gonna go to Batavia. This is all
right
the.
here right now.
What's that?
Is Willie
Okay,
right
where are
here?
the ICE officers? Because I want to know the process
No,
of what
I already
happened.
know. They.
No, I want to know the
Somebody
process of
called
what happened.
ICE. We don't know. We'll find out.
Yeah, I
if
mean,
the
this is-
police
But he's
did.
not ICE.
This isn't anything. Yeah, this isn't anything
So
through
we
RPD.
don't
We're
know
not.
if the police called or
No,
if
we.
someone else.
We're not
took
even
off.
allowed to call. We can't
Right.
call. Yeah.
That's so beautiful.
So I want to understand.
What do you want to understand?
You can't stop the car. Just get out of the road. No
Grace,
kids
it
behind
doesn't matter. Once it's already over, it's
He's
over.
ICE, by the way.
Stop pointing.
I know, but I want to.
He's a bitch.
Stop it.
Well, so they have their own protocols and stuff that they deal with. I don't know any of that.
Right.
That's on them.
8 U.S.C. Section 1326. Illegal re-entry after a formal deportation order is a federal felony. Prior removal converts a civil immigration status into a criminal predicate punishable by up to 2 years, or up to 10 years with a prior aggravated conviction. 8 U.S.C. Section 1357 grants federal immigration officers warrantless arrest authority for any alien believed to be in violation of immigration law who is likely to escape. This authority exceeds standard Fourth Amendment arrest thresholds available to local police. Graham v. Connor 1989. Force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight. Verbal escalation, including a threat to breach a vehicle window, falls within this standard when lawful orders have been repeatedly refused and the vehicle engine is running. 18 U.S.C. Section 111. Physical contact with a federal officer during official duties is a federal felony. Pushing qualifies. Penalties reach 8 years for contact alone, 20 years if bodily injury results. Emotional distress, family motivation, and lack of intent to harm provide no legal defense. Benes v. Delgado 1984. Officers may briefly detain individuals encountered during a lawful action, but individualized reasonable suspicion is required for each person detained. Shared presence in a vehicle with a named target is not, by itself, sufficient legal basis to detain a secondary subject under the Fourth Amendment. Prince v. United States 1997. The federal government cannot compel state or local officers to enforce federal law. This anti-commandeering doctrine is the legal foundation on which sanctuary city ordinances rest. Federal emergency broadcast does not override a binding municipal employment directive. Arizona v. United States 2012. Federal immigration law preempts conflicting local policy. Localities cannot bar federal agents from operating, but can prohibit their own officers from assisting. These are two distinct legal conclusions that this incident forces into direct and documented collision. Key lesson: a single enforcement encounter can simultaneously be lawful for federal agents, a policy violation for local officers, and a federal crime for a civilian who physically intervenes. 3 separate bodies of law. 3 separate conclusions. 1 moment on camera. The wife was not charged. 10 local officers were pulled from duty. The primary target was convicted. But if the law was followed correctly, why did the outcome satisfy no one? And if it was not, which authority crossed the line first?